Welcome back to Sony Realty once again. Well, I have ordered a new product from Amazon and it is a very awesome product and very much useful in your house, especially if you have, anybody can use, especially who are working, always walking, or, they're doing a lot of work, or any person who's going to gym and he needs a massage or something. So you need to watch this video till the end. So we are going to do the unbox of this product and then we will let you know what it is. Now you can see please watch it till the end, so you can order this product, and I will be sending a link in the description. You can click on the link and you can just go and buy this product. Okay, there are many products on Amazon, but this is the one which I have seen which is reasonable to buy, and it's a good product, I think so. It's a very good packed box by Amazon. Delivery was very much early. You can see the product. It is called gun, and wow, well, the box was open, but no problem, they must be checked in the custom or for any other things. This is the manual which is provided by the company. Yes, this is the accessories for massage. If you need for your neck, you can use it for your neck. Here it is written, on the manual, there is everything written on this. For head vibrations, for large muscle group. This is the charger. This is one more accessories of the massage. This is another one, and well, this is the gun. And the main part, that it is chargeable. If you're traveling somewhere, if you're going anywhere out, for a long drive or somewhere, you're tired and you need to massage yourself, so this is the best product, I think so. Well, we will be making another video also on this part. Well, I don't know it is charged or no, but I will just check it out how it works. I think it is not charged properly. I will just charge it and come back with you again. Well, if you want to buy this product, I'm sending a link. I will just send a link in the description, and you can just go and order this. This product cost me only for 1,050. The actual price of this product, if you go in the market to buy, it will be costing you at least more than 2,000 to 5,000. But there was an offer going on Amazon, so I got it in this offer. Well, I will be sending you the offer link in the description. You can go ahead and buy this product. It is very much useful for your parents, anyone in the family members who are really old, or they are working, or they are always traveling somewhere. You can go and buy this product. Another thing, if you want any kind of sarees or kurtis, I'll be sending you my business link, WhatsApp business link also. You can go ahead and buy. Well, I hope you like the video, so please do subscribe my channel and also share with your friends and families who wants to buy this product. It is very much useful. Well, I will be bringing another video with this massage machine, that how to do the massage and what are there, all the process, and it is very much useful. So thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel. You have a great day. Thank you.